Hi everybody, welcome to Green Living Path. This is Alyogi. It's awesome to have you here. I've been doing a bit of surfing lately. Regularly. I surf most days. I live out at the beautiful beach on the west coast of New Zealand. Just the tips about eating. It's pretty simple how a yogi eats and how I eat. What you got to remember is there's three gundas in yoga. This has been around for thousands of years. It's something that hasn't just come into vogue like some of the trendy diets that have been put forward. The three gundas are rigidic food, which is your stimulants such as white flour, white sugar, coffees, coffee, and just things like that, which shoot your mind up. It stimulates your mind, so your mind revs up in the morning, right? But it doesn't give you a lot of sustained nutrients. So you drop, which after a while you just basically drop, and then what happens is your mind, your energy goes down, your vibration. So with the second gunda, so that was rigidic. The second gunda is tasmidic, which is all your fried foods. I know, every now and then's cool. Your meats, your alcohol, which bloats you, but also it slows your mind down. The vibration, it pulls it down as well. So that's what's happening in Western society just generally. Is you got your rigidic food in the morning, which stimulates your brain, and then you got your tasmidic food, which slows you down. So you get the seesawing effect. And one of the reasons why there's a lot of depression and in the world is because you're going rigidic up and then down, big mood swings, which is basically and bipolar and then basically things like that. But how interestingly how a yogi eats is it's called sattvic food, and that's your fresh fruit, fresh veggies, nuts, lots of beans. I have yogurt now and then. I have peanut butter. I love that. And I also, just a tip for everybody, in the mornings, what I do is I have a extra big mug, and I put 2 sachets of green tea and lemon. And then, this is important, I put honey in, a scoop of honey in there. I have cinnamon and turmeric in there, and then I put hot water into there. Now, honey's got a very unusual property. When it's hot water and honey in this brew, and I stir it all up, you actually lose weight. Okay, so the brew is turmeric, cinnamon, honey, and I have green tea and lemon. Now, this green tea and lemon, especially lemon, alkalizes your body, so that also helps as well. But sattvic food, which I've just talked about, your nuts and veggies and beans and fruits and stuff like that, it keeps your mind very balanced, and it also gives you sustained energy over a long period of time. Okay, so that's what you're after, and I try and eat as natural as possible. The less processed, the less fried. If you're going to have chips, which I have now and then, I try and have wedges, which are more just cooked under heat, not deep fried. But every now and then, that's fine. So that's how I basically eat, and that's how how yogis eat. And also in yoga, you've got a word called ahimsa, which means non-violence, and because that's one of the 8 different branches in yoga, is basically non-violence, and that also helps you on your yogic path and helps you grow naturally. So yeah, I hope that helped. Also with what I do is I also do intermittent fasting. So for example, I'll eat say at 8 o'clock in the evening, my last meal, and then I won't eat till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but I will have that drink in the morning, the turmeric, the cinnamon, the honey and the green tea. That's just to get everything going. That speeds up your metabolism as well. So by not eating till 1 o'clock and having that break, it gives your body time to digest and clean out the body. And also it also puts the body into ketosis, which is just a fancy way of saying fat burning. So that's basically how I eat, and I find it really effective too. So just below, I've got a link that'll help you as well. So if you want to tap on that or subscribe, that'll be awesome. But guys, it was lovely to have you. And if you're having summer somewhere, get out there and try a bit of surfing. This is Alyogi. Lots of love, everybody. Namaste.